poem. It's a reflection on, well, what happens when you're asleep. So the music we have chosen to accompany that is Thomas Moore's Oft in the Stilly Night. Would have been well known to the Brontë sisters. It's a German word called Schadenfreude.
Yeah.
It means the smoke pleasure derived from someone else's discomfort. There's no title, but I think Church Reform would be a good title. But that Arthur preserved a copy of the text of Patrick's hand, of the poem in Patrick's hand, suggests that he too may have seen the humorous side of the saga. Patrick Brontë was born in County Down on St. Patrick's Day 1777. So the two pieces of music we're going to have, one is St. Patrick's Day, followed by the Star of the County Down. So I will hand you over to the Banagher Brontë Ensemble.
Yay! really there. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Bay and the golden travelling town. No mail I've seen but the same calling direct to the county town. At the harvest fair she was surely there, so I dressed in my Sunday clothes. With my shoes shone bright and my hat cocked right and a slide from the brown rose. No pipe smoke, no horse I yoke, and my clothes are like this. While it drive home for sights and star of county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Bay and down to Dublin town. No mail I see but the same calling direct to the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Bay and down to Dublin town. No mail I see but the same calling direct to the county down. James, will that dig out?
Was as a small child when I had started to learn to play the piano, and you know when you have a newly acquired talent, your mother wants to wheel you out and have you perform in front of people. And she told me that the spinet, which is a small harpsichord that belonged to the Nichols family, was in a house above past St. Paul's Church. And she said, would you come up and play it? And the woman of the house wanted somebody to play this to see if it could be played. So Jan was wheeled out to play it. And I had always remembered this. It was a very vivid memory. And I was aware and very proud that I had played the same instrument that Charlotte Brontë had played when she lived in Banagher. And you all had a lovely lecture this evening down in Crank House, but I got a lecture from my wife coming over in the car who told me that Sharon Brontë didn't live a whole part of her life and that she never played any instrument at all. So there you go. The internet is great. It can burst a bubble with the press of a button. Thank you, Brenda. Thank you. But this is the poem that James referred to, where the women were banned from the churchyard. So, in Haworth, a parish of ancient renown, some preach in their surplice and others in their gown, and some with due hatred of tower and steeple, without surplice or gown, hold forth on the people. And high church and low church, and no church at all, would puzzle the brains of St. Peter and Paul. The parson, an old man, but hotter than cold, of late in reforming, has grown very bold, and in his fierce zeal, as report loudly tells, through legal resort has reformed the bells. His curate, who follows with all due regard, though foiled by the church, has reformed the churchyard. The females all routed have fled with their clothes to stackyards and backyards where nobody knows to, and loudly have sworn by the suds that they swim in, that they'll wring off his head for his warring with women. While their husbands combine and roar out in their fury, they'll lynch him at once without trial or jury. But saddest of all, the fair maidens declare, of marriage or love he must ever despair.
Out on the wily, windy moors, we'd roll and fall in green. You had a temper like my jealousy, too hot, too greedy. How could you leave me when I needed to possess you? I hated you, I loved you too. Bad dreams in the night. You told me I was gonna lose the fight. Leave behind my wuthering, wuthering, wuthering. it's me.